just a hotel. This is my hotel room. It will be a very small hotel tour because there is nothing of much interesting because I'll stay for one night. And tomorrow I will come back to Naples. Okay. And now to the elevator of this hotel in Riccione, Italy. Closing the lights. And now we'll try it. It's a techno lift. Holy shit. Did it not close? Moment, please. Oh shit. Closed it. Okay. Blue light. This one comes to me. Five person 400 kilograms Technolift. Cronenberg fixtures. Inspected by USL Rimini. Maintained by Technolift. Hydraulic. Wow. But there's nothing of much interesting to see here. Just a basic hydrolyzer. Yes, I'll do another ride because I cannot have the risk to be missed by someone because I am in the hotel. And I'm bored. But later I will go to film elevators in Riccione, but I cannot go to Rimini. Holy shit. And let's take a look. MGB4 outside. On second floor. I must go to the bathroom, so that's it.